Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to sign in to your Amazon account. So now without any further ado, let's start with the steps. So first of all, launch Amazon application on your mobile device. Here we go. Now once you're here on the app's interface, you will get the option to choose your country or region, choose your language, and also choose your currency according to your preference. After selecting it, tap on Done. After this, you'll come to this page. Now at the bottom, simply select on this option. Now tap on the option of Sign In that you see on top. With that, you will be led to this page. You have to enter your email or phone number of your Amazon account. So for instance, I'm just going to enter my email address here. Here we go. Now tap on Continue at the bottom. Now you have to enter your Amazon account's password. After that, simply tap on the option of Sign In at the bottom again. And now within a matter of seconds, you will be logged into your Amazon account. And that's all for today. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.